Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name is Jonathan, and in this video I'm going to be counting down the very best gaming laptops you can get in 2017. Now, not all of the machines in this video are cheap, but they definitely give you the best performance and value for the price. So with that said, let's just go ahead and jump right in. Coming in at number 5 on this list is the Dell Inspiron 15 Gaming, which is honestly an affordable yet capable gaming laptop. You can get the Inspiron 15 for as low as like $800, and for that price you're getting a minimum of an Intel Core i5 processor, an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050 graphics card, and a 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 display. You're also getting a very reasonable battery life. The battery life on the Inspiron 15 clocks in at well over 7 hours, and that's honestly not bad for a gaming laptop. The biggest trade-off here is the screen. Even though it is a Full HD display, it looks really washed out, and especially if you're playing games, it just lacks a lot of punch and contrast when you're looking at it head-on. If you look at it to one side, the viewing angles aren't great as well, and the other big thing about this laptop that's lacking is the trackpad. It's kind of unresponsive at times, and you might get a little bit frustrated using this for a while. With that said though, if you are looking for a very reasonable laptop for a sub $1,000 price, this is definitely one of your very best choices. Now, coming in at 4th place in this video is the Alienware 17R4. Before you get really upset with me and tell me that all Alienware laptops are overpriced, yes, that is true to some extent, but what's nice about the Alienware 17R4 is that it has a lot of different customization options. Honestly, when it comes to specs, you can basically name your own price for this laptop. It is still a little bit expensive. It clocks in at $1,300 for the minimum price, but you're getting a top-notch design, a larger screen, and the Nvidia GTX 1080 graphics, as well as plenty of processing power. One other thing you should know about this laptop before getting it is that it is pretty bulky and heavy. You're getting a 9.7 pound weight and then also a 2.5 pound power brick as well, so it's not what you call travel friendly, but it is one of the very best choices for a high-end gaming laptop right now. Moving right along though, coming in at number 3, I have the Gigabyte Saber Pro 15, which is kind of an interesting gaming laptop. It's only available in one configuration for $1,400, but you're getting some incredibly powerful specs inside. You're getting a 2.8 GHz Intel Core i7 processor, an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1060 card, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, 256 GB of solid state storage, as well as 2 TB of regular hard drive storage. Putting aside the specs though, you're also just getting a really nice design. This laptop comes with Microsoft's Precision touchpad, a fantastic RGB keyboard, and then it only comes in at 5.5 pounds in weight, which for a gaming laptop isn't as terrible as you might think. The only downsides to this machine are the fact that it has a below average battery life, it has pretty underwhelming speakers, and again the fact that it only comes in with one configuration, so you're locked into that one configuration no matter what kind of games you're wanting to play. If you do like the spec configuration though, and you do have the money for it, I would definitely recommend going with this machine because it does offer a lot more value than a lot of other gaming laptops at the same cost. Now, coming in the 2nd place in this video is the Razer Blade, which just straight up is a very expensive laptop. The Razer Blade starts at $1,900, and for that price you're getting a non-touch Full HD screen and then a 256GB SSD. What I really like about Razer's laptops though is they look and feel very high-end without sacrificing too much gaming performance. The Razer Blade is almost like an ultrabook in terms of its size and build, but you're getting a really nice battery life. You're also getting a chassis design that few if any competitors have been able to rival, and then you're also getting a number of worthy benefits. The latest version of the Razer Blade is shipping with Intel Core i7 Kaby Lake processors, and if you're worried about graphical performance, you can go with the newly added 4K screen option, or you can also get a Razer Core external GPU enclosure. There are pretty limited upgrade options for the Razer Blade, but if you do have this kind of money to spend and you're looking for a really powerful yet compact gaming laptop, the Razer Blade is just one of the very best machines on the market right now. But anyways, that brings me to my number 1 choice for the very best gaming laptop of 2017, and that award has to go to the Asus ROG Zephyrus G6501. Honestly, this laptop is just in a class unto itself. It's incredibly powerful. You're getting an Intel Core i7 processor, an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card, 16GB of RAM, and a 15.6-inch Full HD display, all in a body that's only 0.7 inches thick. That's not only stunningly thin for a gaming notebook, it's slimmer than a lot of traditional laptops, including the Dell XPS 15. What's also really nice about this laptop is you're getting a really nice design. You're getting an all-black exterior with copper trim, which adds up to a really futuristic aesthetic. You're getting a keyboard that's relatively big and keys that have a lot of travel, and a trackpad that's pretty responsive, although the trackpad is over on the right-hand side of the laptop, and it is a little bit small as well. The only big downside to this laptop is the battery life. I mean, it's not completely surprising, but this laptop only gets like 2 hours of use on a single charge, and if you're gaming, that'll go down to an hour or even less. So if you are using this laptop a lot, you'll basically have to have it plugged in all the time. This laptop also retails for about $2,300, so definitely don't consider getting it unless you're willing to put a serious investment down. Honestly, with that kind of money, you really gotta weigh out whether it's actually worth getting a gaming laptop at all, or whether it would just be worth building your own gaming PC instead. But with that said, give me your opinions on these laptops in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Remember, all the links to these laptops are in the description down below. And with that said, I'll see you next time.